Nothing says it's the weekend like brunch, but making your own requires the right touch and the right recipes. Here to help us put our best brunch forward is Chef Clodagh McKenna. Welcome back to the Your Morning Kitchen.
Thank you.
Nice to see you.
I know, I'm so excited to be here. I flew in from Dublin yesterday, so yeah, ready to do brunch.
This is my favorite meal, and I'm so glad to make it with you. What are we starting with?
So we're going to do quite a spread. They're all recipes from my book, Clodagh's Kitchen Diaries. We're going to do baked eggs, which I do at the weekend. I love doing it at the weekends with my friends. We're doing with chorizo, with chili,
nice.
with rosemary, with feta.
So a bit of heat.
So a bit of heat. And then we're also going to do pancakes, and we're going to do blood orange mimosas because they're in season at the moment.
Oh, amazing.
So this is really simple. This is just like tomato passata, which you can pick up in the supermarket. I put some fresh chili in here. I love it quite spicy.
Okay.
If you like it a little bit more olivey instead, what you could do is you could put in some olives instead of the chili if you want to.
Okay.
I've already added some crushed garlic, which is the whole here.
Okay.
And then you put in some lovely fresh rosemary. I'm going to keep a little bit back for the end of it.
Okay.
And then just mix all that around, simple as. And then what I do is, like, smell that already.
Oh, yeah, that
Is that
smells
smelling
good.
good?
So I love these little cast iron pots.
They're so cute. Do you know what? If you don't have these, don't fret. You can even use china cups.
Oh, really?
Which can be really cute, actually, as well.
Yeah.
But anything that you can pop into the oven.
So this is your base layer?
This is my base layer. I put too much in there. I put about half of the amount of sauce in there first, and there's a reason why. I'm going to tell you in a second. I'm going to get you to crack 2 eggs for me in there, and I'm going to crack 2 eggs
just in the middle
side. Yeah, just in the middle, anywhere you want to really, because we're going to kind of
and they just go right in
as well. They go right in. This is like the fast. This is what I do, like when I'm having like lazy weekends with like friends.
I do a box of cereal, so you're one up on me already.
Okay. But it's gorgeous. It's such a lovely thing to do. And then what I do is I pop this.
You fill it in.
Do you know what? I do it on top of the egg white, because what you don't want is coming out is the whole thing being just egg white, because it just doesn't look very nice. I pop that there, like that, and then I got beautiful feta cheese. I'm going to finish one, and then I'm going to show you the rest.
Okay.
I put some
lovely...
lovely...
do the next one.
Okay, perfect. Some feta cheese over it. And then I've got some crisped, gorgeous chorizo.
I love feta and tomato together.
And then they just go into the oven, right, for like, I don't know, about 8 minutes. I like mine runny, and that's it. So you can
this is really easy. You weren't kidding. Oh, they're
so
beautiful.
Easy. And this is what they look like. So into a preheated oven, and then they come out looking like this. You can do that stage the night before, and then it's super easy.
Fresh and hot.
And then you get your, I love these, right? So these are really cute. So I get my, careful, my little soldiers. I know I've got like asbestos hands. Your little sourdough soldiers, and then you dip it in like that. I'm going to make you a little dip. There you go, you deserve that. And into this one. And you've got the feta, and the tomato, and the chili, the rosemary, the garlic.
I like the heat.
Amazing.
So good.
Okay, for the kids.
On to the crepes.
For the kids and for me. The crepes. So basically, it's a batter. It's really simple. We have the recipe up on CTV, or Your Morning. And it's just milk. I put a little bit of sugar in there. I put some orange zest in there.
That's what I see. Yum.
So you get that lovely freshness. A couple of tips about doing your pancake.
Okay.
I actually got the egg in my mouth.
I know, I do too. We need the mimosas.
I put a little bit of melted butter in here, and it stops the pancakes from sticking to the pan.
You put it in the batter?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so smart.
It's a really good tip. I learned it years ago at a farmer's market in Ireland. And then I just grease the rest of the pan with a little bit of butter, and then cook it off, and then do the flip.
Okay, this is a real test.
Drum roll. Do we have a drum roll?
I'll do it.
Okay, you need to do it with confidence. Flip.
Woo! Fantastic.
That's done. And then just fold it out like this here. And then here then, I've just made a very simple chocolate sauce with beautiful flavours of cardamom. And I pour that all on top like this.
Oh, delicious.
It's gorgeous. So I serve about 2 pancakes per person like that.
Beautiful.
A little bit, another sprinkle of caster sugar. And then some cardamom pods to decorate
the chocolate and the orange and the cardamom together.
Some orange zest. And then, of course, we need a gorgeous drink to celebrate this. This isn't classically what we drink in Ireland, but I just love this. It's so in season, and we love it in season food in Ireland. So I've got fresh blood oranges squeezed, which blood oranges are in season at the moment. They're so beautiful. I do about half.
Oh, this is very pretty.
Of that, and then the rest in Prosecco. Or if you want to be really...
look at how lovely that is.
It's so beautiful. And that is...
to try it. I have a question for you about your crepes, because what I find is by about the second one, my butter is started to brown, and then my crepes get that ugly brown finish.
Yeah, we were talking about that earlier on, and when I was saying, and you said you do it like, it's easy, you just clean out your pan in between. So I always have like some paper at the side, and
that's okay to do. Just take the paper towel.
Exactly.
Start over.
Exactly. But yeah, these are some nice ideas.
I'm glad you came from Ireland for my favorite meal.
I know, easy to get to and from.
Oh, this is delicious. All right, you can make these delicious dishes. I have the blood orange in my teeth. And on your own. You can find the recipes on yourmorning.ca. Clodagh, thank you.